How to fix the Adobe Illustrator not launching or opening. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If Adobe Illustrator is not launching or opening properly, there could be several troubleshooting steps that you can try to resolve this issue. The very first one is check for the system requirement. You can get it easily from the Microsoft Store. You can also try by restarting your computer and update your Adobe Illustrator. Another best way is just right-click on your Adobe Illustrator shortcut or executable file, which will give you a prompt. From there, you have to select Show More options, and from there, select on Properties. After that, you will see a dialog box or another interface whereby you have to make some changes. Go on the box that says Advanced and click on the Advanced button. Now tick on the box that says Run as Administrator, then tap on OK and Apply. If the Illustrator launches successfully in the Administrator mode, there may be permission issues with your user account. Likewise, another thing that you can do is go to Task Manager and restart the program. Reinstall the Adobe Illustrator if none of the options are working, or what you can also do is contact the Adobe support team, which will provide you with additional troubleshooting space or the steps in few business days. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.